Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to discuss about Pakistan's provinces and its main cities, and along with that its neighboring countries. We discussed about the neighboring countries in our previous lessons also. Now let's see inside the administrative division of Pakistan in the form of different provinces. Here we can see all right, related to different directions. You can see this four direction scale, and you can see north is the top one. Whatever map is there, for example, this circle is the map. Whatever will be at the top of this map would always be north. Bottom would always be south. Right side would always be east, and left side would always be west. So in this manner, if we see this map, we will be able to see that inside the map, in eastern part we can see the province of Punjab, and in southeastern part we can see the province of Sindh. Then in the western part we can see KPK or Khyber Pakhtunkhwa is located. In the southwestern part we can see Balochistan is located. FATA is these are federally administrated tribal areas. These are small, this is divided into excuse me, small areas, but this is as one, known as FATA. These are administered directly by the capital, by Islamabad. So that is why these are known as FATA, federally administrated tribal areas. This is the province of new province, emerging province, Gilgit-Baltistan, and this is Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which is shown in red, AJK, Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Here, this part which is shown in pink, basically these are FANA, federally administrated northern areas of Pakistan. Federal government, Islamabad, is going to manage all these directly. The list what we are going to discuss in the next coming slides, we will discuss about the provinces that we have discussed a bit, but we will see in the next maps also. Then northern areas, location of Gilgit-Baltistan, FANA, and federally administrated tribal areas, some more details and diagrams about that. Then named cities of Islamabad, Murree, Rawalpindi, Gujranwala, Lahore, Faisalabad, Multan, Sialkot, Peshawar, Chitral, Gilgit, Hyderabad, Karachi, Quetta, and Gwadar. We are going to see these these are located in our Pakistan's map. Now, related to this is comparatively more colorful and more clear map related to the provinces of Pakistan. So this part is showing Punjab. Then it is, the previous name was NWFP. It is KPK now. You can see FATA is not separately shown over here, but FATA is the part of this hump. Basically, is all FATA is located around this. Then there is this is occupied Jammu and Kashmir, and this part is Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which is there in Pakistan. Balochistan is there, and Sindh is also shown in this map. This is Arabian Sea, and in the next coming slides we are going to see the cities of Pakistan also. Now, if you see where FATA and FANA are located, so this is the area which is known as, here we can see Gilgit-Baltistan is shown in some maps, which is the new administrative division, and previously it was known as FANA. Still, some parts which are not in Gilgit-Baltistan are known as FANA. This is Kashmir's disputed part, which is occupied by India unfairly, while this purple one is Pakistan's occupied, or Azad Jammu and Kashmir, which was liberated by Kashmiris after their struggle. NWFP, which is currently KPK, its name is changed and it is currently known as KPK, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. And this part, pink, dark pink, is shown as FATA. Balochistan is there, Sindh is there, and Punjab can be seen. Islamabad is located at this point. Here we can see FATA is further, this part is further divided into small areas. That is why these are known as federally administrated tribal areas. Each area is from a different tribe. So tribes have occupied there, and it's a combination of all these tribes. We can see in the map in red, these are shown. This one is enlarged version. and this one is the smaller version. And this part is further divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different parts, and then these are taken by different tribes, and that is why it is known as federally administrated tribal areas. Federal government Islamabad, they administer them, they provide them different kind of facilities, jobs, budget, different things are given to them. Here we can see FATA's land, some land features we can see. This is a kind of mountainous area and without much vegetation, but mostly this is fertile land, and it is on the borderline between Afghanistan and Pakistan. FANA, federally administrated northern areas, these are also working under Pakistan's government, Islamabad directly. Now let's see, there are some main cities of Pakistan which must be known by those people who have some knowledge about their country and who want to introduce their country to foreigners or to others or to younger generation people. So at least this much knowledge must be there, that which city is located where in which province. So here we can see, first of all, where these are the areas, mountainous areas of Pakistan, and just at the footstep of these mountains we can see Murree is located. Then there is Parachanar number 2. This is number 2. It is in KPK at the border of FATA, and sometimes it is mostly FATA people are coming to Parachanar, and this is there. Then number 3, there is Kabul. Then number 4, there is sorry, number 3, this is Kakul, and number 4, it is Chitral. Then we can see in Balochistan, number 5, this is Quetta. Quetta is the capital of Balochistan, and this is the area where mostly administrative works related to Quetta city are done. Many parts of Quetta, if we find, when we will discuss the details of lands, very rough mountain ranges are here, and very less population is living over here, but Quetta is enough good populated. Number 7, this is Islamabad, and number 8, this is Peshawar. Peshawar is the capital of KPK, and most of the markets and main trade activity and main offices, official activity is in the capital of KPK, Peshawar. Then number 9, we can see Sialkot. Sialkot is at the border area with India, and mostly whenever there is some problem and border clash and attacks, sudden attacks are there, those are at the first point, those are there in Sialkot or in Azad Jammu and Kashmir areas. This part is Azad Jammu and Kashmir. Then there is number 10 is Huzdar. It is in Balochistan. We can see this boundary line is separating Balochistan, Sindh, Punjab, and KPK. This part is Balochistan. So number 10, it is Huzdar's area, which is there in Balochistan. Then number 11, it is this area. This is Perigar. It is known as Perigar or Parigar. It is known in this manner. 12 is Lahore. Lahore is also at the borderline of India and Pakistan. And once one war, 1965 war, was also fought at this border, where India suddenly creeped into the city, and they decided to take over Lahore just in a day, but they had to face worst defeat of their history. So this is there. Or number 13, this is DI Khan. DI Khan is located on a borderline between KPK and Punjab. So many people, when they go to KPK, first they go to DI Khan, and then they are moving. It is also a comparatively better city than towns and then rural areas. So trade activity, first internal trade activity between provinces or among provinces, this is also a point which is there. Then number 14 is, where is 14? Pasni's area is gone at the bottom. Pasni's area is here in the bottom of the map. Now we will see the other version of the map in which we will be able to see Pasni's area. Pasni's area is at the coastal shores of Pakistan, Gwadar, Pasni, or Mara. Those are all in a line in the coastal areas of Pakistan, coastal strip of Pakistan. We will see another map in which coastal strip is also shown. Then number 15 is Multan. Multan is also another ancient city, and since many years it's a very well populated and well established cities with strong foundations of past. So this is also located in the heart of Punjab. Then number 17, there is Keshwar Nagar, and this is also on the borderline of border area of India and Pakistan. And Hyderabad is also there. Hyderabad is not shown here, but Hyderabad is also here, almost here in the province of Sindh, almost at this point. This is 21, this is 20, Hyderabad is here. Sakhar is further down. It's wrongly presented here. And then Sibi is also here almost at this point, 22. 22 Sibi is shown in Balochistan, but Sibi is here on the border of Balochistan and Sindh. Now let's see some other details. Pakistan in international scenario, we can find it in this manner. We can see that Pakistan is almost in the center of the dry land on this earth. 25% dry land is there, and then rest of that 75% is water. So Pakistan is almost in the middle of whole of this land. So if we find it, we can see Iran is here. Then there is a peninsula of Arabian Sea, around which all these Middle East countries are located. And on this side, if we see on eastern side of Pakistan, India is located over there. Afghanistan on the western side. Then we can see this is Tajikistan, China, Pakistan's neighbor. In Pakistan, international shown in international scenario is with the purpose that we may be able to see the size of our neighbors who are in the east and western sides of our country. So we can see the size of different neighbors which are there in different parts around Pakistan. So this is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum.